Namaste, I'm Venus from Yoga Path, and this is Dr. Shushma. I have great pleasure to introduce to you all Dr. Shushma. She is an Ayurvedic doctor since the last 15 years, with last 15 years of experience. And she was also having the experience of a Nadi consultant with Sri Sri Panchakarma. She is now having her own clinic in Sapna Sangeeta, and the name of the clinic is Dr. Shushma Ayurvedic Hub. She has also treated many patients for many diseases like thyroid. In fact, currently she's also treating patients with COVID. In my own husband, she has treated and completely he has recovered. She also does Nadi Pariksha. She also has certain products like Chavanprash and what is
Immuno booster card and tablet.
booster. And she has many other products as well. So actually, the reason I have called Dr. Shushma here is we have a lot of issues regarding COVID. And I think the most important issue that I wanted her to address is the food that we have, the diet. And as per yoga, we have already learned that we have three gunas, and each food that we eat, each of them have one particular guna, and it affects the guna in our body, like the sattvic, the rajasic, and the tamasic. So I am sure it has also effects due to the COVID and how we can handle it. So what do you think, doctor?
Yeah, hi everyone. Like diet is the major part of our life. Like we in Ayurveda, we have three stamp. Three stamp means three pillars of our life: ahar, nidra, and brahmacharya. Okay, so ahar is the first one. Diet is the first one. So it is very much required whenever, like if we talk about COVID, if you're not having COVID also, in normal life also, you should have as much sattvic food as you can. Because you can observe easily whenever you have Rajasic or Tamasic food. Rajasic food is what? All like Italian, Chinese, all things which are having preservatives, all which are packaged food, chocolates. Okay, these all things are whatever you are eating outside your home. Okay, we can cross it. Whatever you are eating outside your home is Rajasic food. Okay, whatever you are eating fresh cooked food at home is Sattvic food. Okay, but yeah, if you are adding onion, garlic, it becomes bit Rajasic.
Okay.
Okay, so why all food outside is Rajasic? Because whatever you are eating outside from your home, at hotel or at any place, you're not sure it is very fresh or not. Okay, if things are being prepared in front of you using all
Yes.
fresh ingredients, then it is well and good. Like there are people who are like giving sprouts and all, so they are making fresh in front of you, then it's okay. Otherwise, if it is a bit rotten, you are spoiled. So in COVID also, what I had observed, you have to work on these three things: ahar, nidra, and brahmacharya. Ahar is the major part. We do langanam. Langanam in any kind of diseases, Ayurveda mentions do langanam. Langanam is what? Upvas, laghu bhojan. Okay, so in COVID diet, I usually recommend all of my patients to at least follow 5 days or 7 days as much as they can a diet, a particular diet. What is that diet? Even your husband followed it. I am very happy. Those who followed it recovered very well. Like for 2 to 3 days, you should only take warm water and coconut water. That also in like 1 to 2 coconut water in whole day, not as a whole in one day, in one time. Okay, what is the concept behind it? Concept is so simple that it is like definitely we are into sattvic food. That time you should have sattvic food only, because the disease and the bacteria or virus whatever has attacked you is rajasic or tamasic in nature. Okay, and if you eat rajasic or tamasic food, means you are serving that food to the virus and bacteria that has attacked to your body. So if you will give your favorite food to your guest will like to live at your home for long period.
Yes.
So you should give that food which your guest doesn't like. Which guest will like Loki sabji and roti, moong ki dal and
Right.
roti? No
Yes.
guest will like. Okay, all will like some food items that like aha, that should be very tasty and yummy.
Right.
Okay, so if you give good food, your guest will reside at your home for longer period. No guest is bad for us, but yeah, bad guests are bad for us. So virus and bacteria are not good for us. So if you will not give them any food, any acidic media or any sugar content to the virus or bacteria, even if we'll talk about COVID, if you will not give any media or any food to the virus, it will not reside in your body for longer period because starvation will happen. Okay. And one more thing is, whenever your system is attacked by any foreign body, whether it is virus, your system gets slower, your agni gets down. Okay.
Yes.
So your jitni bhi agni aapke paas bachi hai, it should be able to fight with the virus. If
Right.
you put food in your stomach, then you know what, half of the energy involves in digesting that food,
That food.
and we
Yes.
want full energy, full immunity to fight with the virus. So
Correct.
better not to give anything in the stomach that hinders the fight between virus and our immunity. Okay, so in first 3 days, if you just drink water and coconut water, your whole system will be able to fight with the virus like anything, because their concentration will be full on the virus, right? Then fourth day and fifth day, you can have moong dal soup. That also 2 times a day is much more than enough. Then patli khichdi, like more dal and less rice. Then vegetable khichdi. This is how you can continue with the food like this for 14 days. And you will observe there will be no weakness, nothing like you will feel like you have not eaten. Yeah, definitely you will have few weight loss, but you will not feel weakness and other complications will not be there. Secondly, if you are unable to follow this diet, at least you should avoid some food items like dairy products. Okay,
Yes.
because COVID is a kaphaj problem. Okay,
Yes.
kaphaj disease. So anything that increases your kapha, anything that increases your sugar should be avoided. So what are the things? Milk, milk products, fruits, juices, maida, okay, bread, biscuit, and sugar. Any sweet thing, you should avoid strictly these things. And of course, yes, deep fried and spicy food also. So at least you should avoid these food, right? So I
Okay.
think now the concept is clear why we should like in fever also. You know, you don't feel like to eat. You can
Yes.
observe kids. You
Yes.
know,
Yes.
whenever they fall ill, they don't eat.
We don't
It's
eat.
the automatic system of our body. We don't want to eat, but we just give them food or we eat food. Weakness नहीं आनी चाहिए. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होता है. आपको बीमारी weak करती है. खाना weak नहीं करता है. Okay.
Thank you, doctor. This is very, very, very important information. In fact, today in COVID, the amount of stress that people are having, it helps to reduce, because once we get pointers कि करना क्या है, कैसे खाना है, कौन सा चीज ज्यादा हेल्पफुल है, उससे हम ज्यादा ठीक भी हो जाए. एंड आई थिंक इट हेल्प्स आल्सो मेंटली, राइट?
Yes.
It's very
And
nice.
definitely, yeah, like if with diet, if you are taking Ayurvedic medicines, it works wonder. Like there are few medicines which like helps to destroy virus, helps not to replicate them, not helps not to multiply them, helps not to enter virus in your lungs. Okay, so like Mahasudarshan Ghanvati, my immunobooster Kadha and tablet, Chavanprash you told, these are working awesome in COVID as a
Right.
preventive also, for increasing immunity, and for like post COVID recovery also. These are working very good. So you can 100% rely on Ayurvedic treatment for like COVID. I have treated so many, almost 250 to 300 patients I have treated with Ayurveda, and they all are well. That's what, they all are well.
Thank you, doctor. I know as a personal experience that it has helped. In fact, we have not taken any antibiotics as well. So it has been all your help. Thank you so much. And I hope that everybody gets to know the importance of Ayurveda, the importance of diet during the COVID situation. Thank you so much.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Namaste.
Namaste.